You run Bumbuckley tune.
MC head be shutter. Face a joke when I read my man stepper. He's fully mad bad girl what we proper. But if it is stealing they gonna find you in a better same gutter that find nobody mince with each other. Set we are on the place red super the gun dog when it cough it spread like butter and bread. Digestment fled black cover circle lemons like threads. Me a keeping 9 next 90 digest. One pussy down dead please tell me who next. No love lost dog. Digest one press try chef funny head fly jet. Digest, pull up in a black car, tin top market, string channel dead. Pussy don't make a wrong step, Kelly had the rifle with the bulldozer head. Pussy hole, wipe who next time see him get the jack up, tape and red shots from the AK 8 away.
What's up YouTube, it's your boy Tyrekevlogs aka The Reaction Boss, and I'm back in the put another video for you guys. Right now we're back in the car, we're bringing back the stage and we're bringing it back to day one. You know why? Because the artists are coming down. The artists have been and watch me for your main people. So now we're gonna listen to what the artists have to say because they have a message for everybody. So listen to the artists real quick.
I just want to see all the youths make it, you know what I mean? I just have love in my heart for everybody and I just want to make sure everybody make it. And everybody who on the ground right now who never get a reach out there. You know what I mean? I just want to see everybody, you know? Yeah, that kind of flick. So I represent the east side. I'm from Zerima side. And I just doing my music right now, King. So much blessing, love and thanks. I've been seeing all the reaction videos from since you came out. I see the subscribers you start with and I see where you end up. And I must say congratulations to you and much love, blessings and respect.
Alright people, so right now artist is called Prodigal. Is it me I say? Baddest thing right now represent from Trinidad, is it me I say? Yo, I'm ready for the reaction now. Triple like that. Want to go follow the artist on Instagram, is it me I say? Everything will be down below in the description of this video. You can see what I'm going for the song called Defiance, people. Is it me I say? Lyrics are chop out, teeth, face, mouth, and everywhere. Yo, are you ready? Let's see what I go. We'll take a one sec. Once the BF emoji in the car, sang bad enough. Me not lying to you, if I'm lying, I'm dead. Run, June!
Yo, Ray. Wagwan, chef. Easily we make them boy body in a mess. Murder time.
Murder time, people. What a pass. Easily left them boy body in a mess. The dog say murder time. Right now, I'm going to murder the beat. Go on!
Stop it. What?
Yo, Ray.
Try stop it, I can't stop it. Me I aim straight for your head or your eye socket. Raise the infrared up on the Glock before you cock it. Bullet a come fast like football but you can't drop it. Dog.
That's it, can't stop it. You must aim straight for your head or your eye socket. Right in there so, bumbuckler, go on.
Try them laugh at him, dead them a dead from them go get a slip off the pill. Watch the dog, the bird tight a blast time like Martha then. Run out with the Celtic, everybody get wet blood leak. Head tent, man face strip tent. With the tape chop when we
hold on. If me I lie to the people,
Wagwan, chef.
listen for yourself.
Easily we make them boy body
Listen for yourself.
Murder time.
Yo, go on.
If you like.
Them can't walk.
Can't stop it. What?
Don't you know?
Try stop it, I can't stop it. Me I aim straight for your head or your eye socket. Raise the infrared up on the Glock before you cock it. Bullet a come fast like football but you can't drop it. Dog. Touch him, them laugh at him. Dead them a dead from them go get a slip off the pill. Watch the dog, the bird tight a blast time.
Bumbuckler! You say so much right in that space, how much? 28 seconds. Tell me so that. Go on!
Like Martha then. Run out with the Celtic, everybody get wet blood leak. Head tent, man face strip tent. Do the tech chop when we roll past them. Send Killy and talk for the heavy Mac 10. The bird tight a blast time like Martha then. Run out with the Celtic, everybody get wet blood leak. Head tent, man face strip tent. Do the tech chop when we roll past them. Send Killy and.
When you hear what the dad just say? Run out with the Celtic, everybody get wet. You're right now, if I say you're going to watch it, be for emoji in the comment section. Be for emoji in the comment section. Run tune. Run tune.
Talk for the heavy Mac 10. Blast past them speed in 110 in a fully tinted like black essence. Doggy side axe them with the gun that I make brain fly past tense. Mask men jump fence, man run left friends. Everybody I go dead from me see these pencils. We not easy, pussy we not.
Remember. I don't think I go preach a song to the blood. Go on.
Blast past them speed in 110 in a fully tinted like black essence. Doggy side axe them with the gun that I make brain fly past tense. Mask men jump fence, man run left friends. Everybody I go dead from me see these pencils. We not easy, pussy we not quiz test. Body scatter all about dog, what a big mess. Dead for your mouth and the things where you say. Nobody not sorry for you, car bullet way again.
right now, I'm not putting up on the video right now. Today. Man, you're supposed to see BFI emoji in the comment section right now. And you're supposed to have no one and no two comment right now in the comment section. That's how you're bad. That's how you deserve a million fire emoji in the comment section and a million likes. You see me, I say, million comment section. Yo, millions of fires, people. Drop them right now. Artist bad, the man named Prodigal. People go subscribe to Prodigal on YouTube. Link down below in the description. Link pinned in the comment section. Run through.
The moves right, never make the wrong step, man. Wise from birth, never stray without the tech. Digest, pull up in a black car, top mark, explain channel. Don't make a things where you say. Nobody no sorry for you, car bullet way again. I can let my moves right, never make the wrong step, man. Wise from birth, never stray without the tech. Digest, pull up in a black car, top mark, explain channel. Dead pussy don't make a wrong step, Kelly at the right.
Pull up in a car, tint up, Mark X. Oh. People, the man name, oh, Prodigal. Right now, I want to drop BFI much more to the click link and go listen to the song for yourself. Go make Prodigal know say a reaction boss and over there, so you think we don't run tune.
Full with the bulldozer head, pussy hole. White pay who next crime scene, bloody chalk up. Tape and red shots from the AK. Hit a wave and spread, set a magasaki. Heat up a blood clad flesh. Hurry my man, run out them panicking. Couldn't put them in a wooden box, vanish him. Cast wash war, pussy, no peace settling. Fire make curl, yeah, tan straight keratin. I no fist fight, fling or wrestling.
Remember, hold on. Remember, says Arima did warn you know about the Arima and them, you know. Ever hear about Arima, man? Alright. With all kind of religion. See one of them I come mash the place right now. See one of them I mash the place right now. Arima did warn about the Arima and them in the dog. You might tell you, so wherever go, so. Alright. Go on!
Fly ship on the cane with vomiting. If you wawa me, get an next sucking. Pussy look another thing. 6'6", all white with a nice grin. You think I all a matrimony when bullet wife him. Cast salary my east side for life king. Dictator his while Yakey a bite him. Gunshot fly through neck bro biting. Past upper, nobody cannot revive him. Him dead for the first life, luxury and nice things. Easy. Watch you bullet it, proper kappa cut a man a kappa when the rapid burst of fire never start a fire. Anything that support M2 spread them butter papa brother ball with.
Because you know. You think I joke thing in there? You say I'm one jail pardon and God a bag. You know what? You run Bumbleclay tune.
See head be shutter. Face a joke when I read my man stepper. He's fully mad bad girl what we proper. But if it is stealing they gonna find it in a data same gutter that find nobody mince with each other. Set we are on the place red super the gun dog when it cough it spread like butter and bread. Digest men fled black cover circle lemons like threads. Me a keeping 9 next 90 digest one pussy done dead. Please tell me you next no love lost dog. Digest one press try chef funny head fly jet. Digest, pull up in a black car, tin top mark, explain channel dead. Pussy don't make a wrong step, Kelly at the rifle with the bulldozer head. Pussy hole, white who next time scene, bloody chalk up. Tape and red shots from the AK, hit a wave and spread, set a magazine, heat up a blood clad flesh.
Easy, you don't know. All the camera all a drop, dog. Youth, all the camera all a drop, dog. This song too bad, dog. Right now, dog, you're too bad, dog. You hear me? You're too bad, dog. You remember drive out the car, dog. Bumbuckler. Yo, BFI emotion in the comment section right now. Right. All the lighter stop work. All the lighter stop out of work. See it there? Bumbuckler, dog. All the camera don't want to make drop, dog. You know, we had a pop back in the car now. I'm going to watch back all the car because you're too bad, dog. You're too grimy, dog. You can't mash up a world, so you mash up the camera, yeah. Yeah, I know I never on the bumbuckler seat, but just leave the vibe in the dog. When the song bad car, leave the vibe in the car. John was star. Bumbleclay, you're too bad, you know, you. Remember, I tell you, you're too bad, you know. You're too bad, people. The man named Prodigal. You see me as a people. I want to check him out right now. Right now, people. Right now. You know what I'm going to make video in the car? The first time I come back in the car, I want to drive out the Bumbleclay car. The first time I come back in the car, I want to drive out the Bumbleclay car. People, link to the original song down below in the description of this video. I want to go check it out for yourself. I want to go follow Prodigal on Instagram. Everything down below in the description. I want to go subscribe to the channel on YouTube. Everything. Run it up. Make you know the reaction massive over there. See me I say. Peace out.